We are ready to go. Oops. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, well, and say hi.
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Okay. Hey guys, just got a short little fun activity for you today. You'll only need a few things. You'll need some water, a smooth surface plate or bowl, some dry erase markers. I know words. Some dry erase markers, pencil, pen, something like a straightened out paper clip, something like that. So what we are going to start with, should I explain that?
Yeah, you should.
So we are going to be making a drawing dance today using water and dry erase markers. So let's start off with our plate, and we are going to draw a pretty picture on this plate.
Oops. Okay, go for it. Keep going. My bad.
Picture. Now let's see if we can get it to dance. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our water and gently, carefully, slowly pour it into the plate.
Whoa. What happened there?
So what happened is that our drawing lifted off the bottom, it lifted off the surface of the plate, and now it's floating around on top of the water. How cool is that?
That's too cool for school.
He doesn't really want to dance, but it's still pretty neat, right?
It looks like he's just floating around. But that's still pretty cool, yeah.
It is. So what's going on here is that the ink inside the dry erase marker is less dense than the water. So it's able to float on top of the water, but the reason it lifts off is that there is a substance inside the ink.
Keep going.
So there's a release agent in the ink
I broke his torso.
that makes it not adhere to the surface of the plate as well as something like Sharpie would. Sharpie would stay stuck to the bottom. Destroying my picture.
He destroyed
Orlando.
himself.
So there's less adhesion between the surface of the plate and the marker. The ink is also not soluble in water. That means it's not going to dissolve like a Crayola marker. The Crayola marker would just dissolve and dissipate into the rest of the water, and you wouldn't be able to see the picture anymore. But because this contains both a non-water solvent, I guess is the way I can phrase it, because it contains that and a release agent, it can float to the surface of the water intact and not break up or dissolve or...
Keep going. Wait, what did I do? Oh my god.
I think you poured the water onto it a little too forcefully.
I did.
Yes, you have to be gentle and
So
careful.
you got to be gentle and careful.
And if we leave it, it might come to the surface. Maybe part of it. Yeah, there it goes. It's peeling up. You see?
Oh wow.
How cool is that? That's because there is so little adhesion between the plate and the ink.
You can make his face like, yeah. Give him different expressions. Whoa,
Yeah,
where's his
can.
mouth going?
So if you want to try this at home and try to make it a real experiment, you can try different temperatures of water. You can try using tap water as opposed to distilled water. Try using both of those and see what the difference is, if it makes a difference. You can try different brands of dry erase markers. Like I have some that didn't work as well for me. So that's why I picked this black one and the red one. You can also try drawing in layers. So if you put one layer of red down, you can put another layer of red over top of it and see if that makes any difference in how well it lifts off or how intact it remains. Right, where'd you lose me?
On top of the surface or something with the surface.
Oh, right. So you can see if multiple layers affects how it floats to the top of the surface or how intact it stays on top of the surface of the water. You could also try different textures. Like you could try, I don't know. Plates really aren't. So you could try a ceramic plate. Okay, so you could try ceramic versus like plastic. You could try like a kind of a rough, pebbly textured plastic or a smooth plastic. Like
What about paper plates?
You could try a paper plate.
Okay.
It might need to be a waxed or plastic coated paper plate. I'm not sure that dry erase...
Or like a foam one?
Oh yeah, a styrofoam plate. That's a good idea, actually. I didn't think about that. That's a good idea, Orlando.
Yeah, next time I go to a plate sale, I'm just going to knock the food off and say, hey, y'all like science? So, I don't know if it'll work there. That didn't work. Because on the edge.
Yep. So that's because the water's flowing across it and it's not staying in place long enough for it to get underneath and help it rise to the surface. So anyway, that's what I've got for you guys today. Hope you have fun with that. I sure did. Bye.
Bye. No,
Dude,
no, no, no.
Why do you do this to me?